Unit 4 assessment, rate and percent. You may use a calculator on this assessment. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. A paint store sells 4 pints of paint for $19. How much is 1 pint of paint? Remember, it's money over the amount of pints when you are setting up your equivalent rates. Your choices are $4.25, $4.75, or $4. Number 2. A paint store sells 4 pints of paint for $19. How much will 3 pints of paint be? Again, you are setting your equivalent rates up as money over the amount of pints. Your choices are $14, $16.50, or $14.25. Number 3. At a farmer's market, a package of pears weighs 3 pounds and costs $9. Bananas are priced at 2 pounds for $8. Which fruit is more expensive per pound? Remember, you are setting up your equivalent rates as money over pounds. Your choices are the pears are more expensive because they cost 25 cents per pound. The bananas are more expensive because they cost 25 cents per pound. Or the pears are more expensive because they cost 33 cents per pound. Number 4. If 5 pizzas cost $60, how much money will 9 pizzas cost? Remember, money over the amount of pizzas. Your choices are $108, $118, or $100. Number 5. A car travels 520 miles in 8 hours. At this rate, how far will the car travel in 11 hours? 615 miles, 715 miles, or 700 miles? Number 6. Seth's family plans to drive 220 miles to their vacation spot. They would like to complete their drive in 4 hours. Find the average speed in miles per hour needed to make the trip in the desired time. 55 miles per hour, 60 miles per hour, or 50 miles per hour. Number 7. What is the unit rate for the double number line below? 2 quarts in 1 container, 1.5 quarts in 10 containers, or 1.6 quarts in 1 container. Number 8. Write a unit rate for the situation. 63 meters in 7 seconds. So set up your equivalent rates to find out how many meters they travel in 1 second. 8 meters in 1 second, 9 meters in 1 second, or 7 meters in 1 second. Number 9. Kate spends $36 at the carnival. This is 75% of the total amount that she brings to the carnival. What is the total amount that Kate brings to the carnival? Remember to set up your percent as a fraction, and then part over whole. You're looking for the whole, the total amount. Is your choice $40, $45, or $48? Number 10. What is 25% of 80? So set up your equivalent rate, write your percent as a fraction, and fill in your is over of. Your choices are 20, 320, or 25. Number 11. A library sells 600 books for a fundraiser. The library claims that 60% of the books are fiction. How many books are fiction? 60, 600, or 360?